Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the data views feature available in Marketplace Reporting. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplace is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communicate features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities along with many other capabilities for Marketplace reporting. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The Data Views feature provides a convenient, easy way to save report filters for future use. It's akin to saving your queries so you can reuse them later. If you find yourself generating reports using the same filters on a regular basis, then you should consider using Data Views. Of course, it's easy to remember report filters when using defaults. On the other hand, the more complex filters used to generate a report, the harder it is to remember those same filters later. This is where Data Views come in real handy. It provides a convenient, easy way to save complex report filters to use again, so it isn't necessary to remember them later. The data views you create are automatically shared with other team members so everyone can use the same data views for their reports too. Let's get started with a data views presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Before we show you how to create data views for a report, let's look at how to manage your data views. Click on the Data Views tab to view the Data Views Manager located at the lower right of the dashboard. The Data Views list is blank. You will need to select one of the reporting sections located across the bottom of the Data Views Manager to view a list of data views. Be careful when selecting the All tab since it will list all data views for all reports for all users. Since our demo database has a limited number of data views, we'll select the All tab for this presentation. As you can see, there are 7 data views listed. Let's look at the data columns for the Data Views Manager so we can explain what each column signifies. The ID column is a unique numeric identifier for each report. It is used to sort and group reports based on the reporting section selected. The report column is the report type or class, which is also the report name found in the upper left of any report. The view name column is the descriptive name for the data view. A descriptive view name can help you quickly identify the data view and its intended purpose. The user column is the person or user responsible for creating the data view. The ID column is sorted ascending by default. You can click on any column to sort by that column. Multi-column sorting is fully supported by selecting the Shift key and clicking on the columns to sort. Column filtering is fully supported, which allows you to filter a column using the unique values found in that column. Hover your mouse button over the right side of the report column until a filter button appears. Click on the filter button to view a list of unique values found within the report column from the drop-down menu. Select the top customer's value from the list. The Data Views Manager now displays 2 data views instead of the original 7. Now click on All located at the top of the drop-down list. Selecting All removes any column filters and restores the Data Views Manager to the original list of data views. For more information concerning filtering, review the video Report Filtering How-To. Next, click the right mouse button anywhere within the Data Views Manager to view the pop-up menu with additional commands. The commands are organized into editing and configuration groups. For this presentation, we'll focus on all the editing commands. Select the Edit button from the pop-up menu to view the Data View Editor. The Data View Editor is used for editing existing data views. You can edit the view name and description and change it to anything you want. Bear in mind, the view name and description should closely match the purpose for the report, or else it may cause confusion when the memory fades later down the road. Click on the Search Filters tab. This tab displays all the filters and parameter descriptions used for the data view. These filters displayed are read-only and cannot be changed. If you want different filters for this report, you will need to generate a new report with your new filters and save it as a new data view. Click on the Close button to close the Data Views Editor and return to the Data Views Manager. Next, click the right mouse button anywhere within the Data Views Manager to view the pop-up menu. There are 2 more commands we'll discuss. The Delete command deletes the selected data view. A confirmation prompt appears when selecting this command, so be sure you really want to delete the selected data view. This is a permanent action and cannot be undone. The Refresh command retrieves any new data views or changes made to existing data views and updates the Data Views Manager list accordingly. This concludes the Data Views Manager review. For this segment of the presentation, we'll use the Orders Explorer report to demonstrate how to create, save, and open data views. For more information about this report, review our video for the Orders Explorer report found on our YouTube channel. Before a data view can be saved, you must first initiate a search using the data filters for the report. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. For this demonstration, we'll enter 100 for number of units, and 1,000 for sales. Essentially, we are asking for all orders with at least 100 units and $1,000 in sales for all time. We'll leave the remaining filters intact with their default values. Click on the Apply button to view the results for this report. There are 234 orders matched in the filter criteria. Now let's save these filters as a data view. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Save View from the pop-up menu. Enter top orders for all time 100/1000 as the view name. Enter these are the top orders for all time 100/1000 period. A date range was not applied period as a view description. Click on the Search Filters tab. This tab displays all the filters and parameter descriptions used for this data view. Click on the OK button to close the Data Views editor and save the data view. We're going to create another data view with a slight yet significant modification to the filters. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Go to the Date Range selector and click on YTD or Year to Date. Now we've modified the report, so the results have been limited to this year to date only. Click on the Apply button to view the results for this report. There are 25 orders matched in the new filter criteria. Now let's save these filters as a data view. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Save View from the pop-up menu. Enter top orders YTD 100/1000 as the view name. Enter these are the top orders year to date 100/1000 period as the view description. Click on the OK button to close the Data Views editor and save the data view. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Open View from the pop-up menu. You will see the two data views we just added plus the one already created earlier. The active data set for the Orders Explorer has 25 orders listed. Select the Orders Explorer Key Sales Last 90. Double-click on the selected item or press OK to activate the data view. There are now 632 orders listed. Go back to the Open View dialog and select Top Orders for all time. There are now 234 orders listed. See how easy and fast it is to switch between data views. Let's try this feature with another report. Go to the GEOS U.S. States State Sales by Date report. Click the right mouse button anywhere within the report and select Open View from the pop-up menu. There is only one data view for this report, U.S. State Sales for the last 90 days. Select the data view and double-click or press OK to activate the data view. There are now 51 U.S. states listed for this report. That's all there is to saving and opening data views. As you can see, this is an extremely powerful feature. Now let's go back to the Data Views tab located in the dashboard to check on our newly created data views. The Data Views Manager now displays 9 data views. The original 7 when we started the presentation, plus the 2 new data views we added from the Orders Explorer. Before we wrap up this presentation, there are a few key points you should know about data views. Your reporting database is dynamic and always changing as existing data is updated or deleted and new data is added. Data views are dynamic as well. When a data view is applied to a report, the results are based on the filter criteria, not the data. Results for a report using a data view can change over time, and given the nature of data views, it's expected. Date ranges are automatically adjusted when opening a data view if you use one of the preset date ranges from the Date Range selector. If you manually edit the starting and ending dates bypassing the selectors, then the date range will become static and will always be the same range you entered. If a date range is needed for the report, we recommend you use one of the date range presets. This concludes our presentation of the Data Views feature with Marketplace Reporting. In summary, there are no limits to data views, so you can add as many as you want to any report. Use any of the many data filters for a data view to zero in on the data you need. Once data views are created, it's quick and easy to generate the same reports with the same filters over and over again. Data views are dynamic with results based on the filter criteria and not the data. Due to the dynamic nature of data views, report results will change over time. This is the desired outcome and fully expected. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports. You'll have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.